Greetings one and all. Welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm actually filming this on Christmas Eve. The video may not come out till a little bit later, maybe Boxing Day, something like that. But the reason I'm making these on Christmas Eve is I want to make some very simple shortbreads to take to... I actually have to work tomorrow and everyone's bringing in a little something, so I'm going to bring in some shortbread, so I'm going to make it. And I thought, well, I may as well video it. So here I've just got 250 grams of unsalted butter, and as you can see, it's really soft. I've had that sitting out on the bench, and it's a very hot day here today, so it's sort of started melting. Look at that, just sort of slopped in, and that's exactly what you want. Alright, here I've got some pure icing sugar, and I'm going to add one cup like that. And just add that to my butter. And we're just going to mix that up, which hopefully won't take too long, as soon as my butter's so soft. I'll get on with that and get back to you. Alright, once I've mixed that sugar up with the butter, I'm going to add 3 cups of just plain flour. Near enough. Just a pinch of salt, and I'll mix that up as well. I'll see you shortly. Alright, so I've mixed that up and it's coming together alright. I think I could just do just another little tiny, not much, sprinkle of flour. And that's all. I think that last cup I didn't quite fill up properly. Alright, so that's done the trick now. I'm just going to turn that out on my bench here. Now this is one case where you don't want to flour your bench. You just want to leave it smooth. And we're just going to give that just a little knead, just for a short while. With clean hands, if you please. Alright, now I'm going to break that into approximately 2 pieces. And what I'm going to do with mine, at this stage you can sort of go for whatever shape you want to do. I'm just doing round biscuits. So I'm going to roll them out into sort of a cylinder. And I'm just going to whack this in the fridge just for 20 minutes or so, and repeat with that one. Alrighty guys, so as you saw, I've just sliced up my shortbread into little rounds here. Like I say, I'm making nice little mini ones, but they're going to have a little bit of thickness to them, which is good, so you don't get robbed of at least a couple of mouthfuls. Now I've just got the oven preheating to 160 degrees Celsius. Once that's up to heat, I'm going to put them in probably for, I'll check them around 15 minutes or so, and we'll see how we're going. What I will do too, is I'll just put a couple of, about 4 holes in each one, just with my skewer. Alrighty guys, so I've got a couple of my containers here with my shortbread in it, ready to take to work tomorrow for Christmas Day. Just to let you know, in the oven, I said it was going to take about 15 minutes. Well, it took probably another 7 or 8 minutes longer. I did open the oven a couple of times, you know, because I'm in the videoing business, so I had to get the shot and all that, so that probably let a bit of a heat out. But yeah, I think even taking that into account, needs to go for a bit longer than 15 minutes. They are still soft when you pull them out. You need to put them up on the cooler and just let them naturally cool down, and then they sort of harden up on the outside. Alrighty, let's give one a taste. So yeah, as you can see, I mean, they're very rustic looking. I did have to, some of them sort of spread into each other, so I sort of had to run a knife sort of to separate them, but they separated really easily. They're very delicate, but they're not falling to bits. Not yet anyway. So let's try one. It's a very, very, very short pastry. It just melts in your mouth. Just dissolves as soon as it gets into your mouth. It's yummy. Definitely not a diet food, but you know, it's that time of year. Hope you guys at work enjoy them tomorrow. Very simple recipe. Doesn't get much easier. So, thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to one and all as well. Thanks to everyone for watching the videos throughout the whole year. Thanks to everyone who has subscribed over the course of my channel. I really appreciate it. I really do. If you haven't subscribed yet, can you just hit that subscription button? That'd be great. If you don't want to, no worries. And I will see you next time.